Mark Woehrle, broker at Remax Escarpment. Welcome to 80 Arthur Street in Brantford. This home features parking here. More parking here. And the garage. Backyard and patio. Rooftop patio.
Inside this home, we find open concept living room, dining room that leads into the kitchen. Two full bathrooms, 3 bedrooms, and a spacious seating area that leads onto this rooftop patio.
Thank you for visiting us at 80 Arthur Street in Brantford.
If you would like to book a showing for this beautiful home, or if you want to buy or sell in Brantford, please give us a call. We're Mark and Wendy, and we can be reached at 905-512-1846.